Welcome to another wonderful spiritual tip. In today's video, we are going to talk about attracting wealth with rice. I will show you step-by-step money manifestation technique. Okay, so if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon and I share spiritual tips here in this channel. Please do well to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, I know you must have been seeing a lot of videos here on YouTube talking about how to manifest money or attract money with rice. Maybe you have tried it and you have not seen any results and you think it is not working. No, you can attract money with rice only if you do it properly. Okay, so in this video I will share with you how you can attract money with rice. Okay, and make sure when you are doing this spiritual tip you have faith, because most spiritual assignment that you see people doing and giving testimony, they do it with faith. Okay, faith is the number one thing that you need to have when it comes to spiritual assignment. Okay, so that is it. So what you should do is to get rice. Okay, get a cooking rice. Let me show you. You need to get rice. Okay, as you can see, you need to get rice and you need to get money also. Any denomination, any amount that you can get, you need to get the two, just the two. Okay, and this spiritual assignment is something that you should do first of the month. First of the month. Okay, now how do you do this? On first of the month, wear your clothes, white clothes. As you can see, I'm putting on white. Okay, wear your white clothes. Okay, go to river that is close to you. Go to any river that is close to you. Go with that rice and that money that you have. Okay, once you reach to that river, you are going to pray. Okay, you are going to pray for wealth. You are going to pray for money, that you have come to ask for wealth, money, abundance. Okay, this will be the things that you say. Anything that you desire, anything that you wish, that is what you will be saying as you are standing on that river, by the side of the river, or anywhere you know you can comfortably stand to do this spiritual assignment. But make sure you go to that river, okay, that is close to you. Okay, with the rice and the money that you have. Okay, you speak your mind, you pray, you say what you want. Okay, after praying, after saying your mind, and make sure that when you are standing on that river, you are not wearing your slippers. Make sure you go on barefoot and you are wearing white. Take notes, it's very, very important. Okay, so you say your mind, you say your wish, you say your intention. Okay, if you want to receive money in 7 days, in 1 month, in 2 months, in 3 months, this will be the things that you say. Okay, after saying, after making your prayers, you use your right hand, and pack the rice. Okay, and pack the rice and throw them inside that river. Okay, use your right hand and throw them, the rice, inside that river. Then use this money with your right hand and wave it 3 good times all over your head. Okay, use the money and wave it 3 good times all over your head, and then throw it inside that river. Okay, once you have thrown the money inside the river, you turn your back and start going straight to your home. Don't look back to that river again. Okay, you turn your back and start going straight to your home. Don't look back to that river again. Once you have completed doing this on the first of the month, okay, throughout that month you will be attracting money. Money will be coming into your hand like never before. Okay, money will be coming into your hand like never before. If you constantly do this every first of the month, you will see how rich and wealthy you will be. Okay, this is a very simple spiritual assignment that you should do to attract money into your life, to attract and manifest money in a big way. Okay, so if you have been doing other spiritual assignments with rice to attract money and it have not been working for you, I challenge you to try this one this time around, and you will see the testimony that will come after doing it. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in today's video. Okay, so if you have any question that you want to ask, you are free to use the comment section to ask your question. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, and also if you want to buy any of my products, I have a link under this video. Just go to the comment section and click on that link. Okay, it will direct you to my store where you can purchase any spiritual product that you want to buy. Okay, if you need any spiritual product from me, just click on that link. It will direct you to my store where you can buy, make an order of any spiritual product that you want to buy. Okay, so that is how you can use to attract wealth. Okay, so make sure you try this spiritual assignment today on first of the month wearing white. Okay, just go to the river near you and do it, and you see the testimony. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.